This is MikeBot. Today's going to be the final spare parts, must-have parts for the Bambu series printers. This box here is for the P1P. So this is must-have spare parts for the Bambu P1P, and a video coming soon down the road on the parts installation that you're going to see in here. So if you check my channel out, you'll be able to find 2 or 3 different videos as well for the Bambu X1C spare parts. So once again, this one is spare parts, must-have spare parts for the P1P. Alright, get started with the mystery box here. First things first, PTFE tube. So it's good to have these PTFE tubes on hand. You will end up going through a lot of them, especially if you have an AMS. The more you print, the more these are going to wear down. Eventually you'll get to a point where you need to replace them. Instead of waiting 2 weeks with your printers down, have spare PTFE tubing on hand. Next, I'll mention this again like I do in every video. These are good bags to keep. They're perfect for putting your 3D prints that you sell, or if you have Amazon returns, they're good to throw stuff in. So right here we have the first must-have upgrade for your P1P, the heavy-duty tool head cable. This is going to be one of the videos. It's going to be another video after this at some point, and it's going to involve the installation of this and a couple other parts, which I will show. So this cable here upgrades your tool head to a heavy-duty version, and I will explain that shortly. Next, replacement filament cutters. So now with the 2 Bambu printers I have, I need to keep more of these on hand. I don't want to wait a month to get my filament cutter replacements in. Next on the list for today, Bambu scraper. These scrapers are amazing. I love them. I have already printed 3 of them, so I think I have 9 of these replacement scrapers. So they're great to have. They work better than any plastic scraper. So I'll just open this up because I don't think I did. So these are the filament cutters, and replacing these is very easy. I'll do a video in the future on how to replace these. Next, silicone socket for the hot end. I have 3 replacements. These are 3 other ones. I got 2 printers. I need double the replacements now. You will wear through these fairly quick. Well, you'll see in time, and you'll see how important these are to have. They help insulate the hot end and regulate the temperature. I will do a video as well in the future on how to replace these socks. It'll probably be a 2-minute video, so I might group it into a couple other videos. So this little heavier package here, the glue stick. I love these glue sticks. They're expensive, but they work. So this is my 4th glue stick, and I also have a liquid one now. You can also print a nice little caddy which will house all this stuff. I can also do a video on that down the road. It's going to be a lot of videos with the Bambu series now, and maybe I'll start making more on the AnkerMake. We'll see. I'm not too happy with AnkerMake at the moment. So the next big upgrade, oh sorry, this is not it. So the next we have the activated carbon filter. I have 1 spare one. And you're supposed to replace them every couple months depending on your printing habits. You're going to need these. They're a must for material like polycarbonate and carbon fiber and all that. Keep a couple of those on hand. All these upgrades too, they're fairly inexpensive. Bambu did an amazing job with all these parts. They're all really high quality and they're priced very, very well, which is amazing. Next is the nozzle wiper. This one's another important one to have spares of. You'll go through a lot of these. I'm actually ready to be replacing my nozzle wiper on the X1C soon, so look for a video on that coming down the road. Extruder gear assembly. So this here is the hardened extruder gear assembly. So I will be doing a video on how to upgrade these parts, and this is one of the things that I will be upgrading. More on that shortly. PTFE connector. If you change your PTFE tube regularly, you'll eventually need spare connectors. So pick those up. They're like $7. Just throw them into your spare bin pile. Good to have. Next, I have carbon fiber here. So the carbon fiber was on sale, so I jumped on it because I think it was like $25 Canadian, which is pretty good for carbon fiber. And I'm pretty happy with the carbon fiber that Bambu has. It's pretty decent quality. I'm not gonna open this because I don't plan to use this anytime soon. But as you can see, they seal it really well. Make sure you dry this out before you use it. So grab yourself a filament dryer. If you don't have one, you could use the bed option to dry it, built onto the X1C. And then last but not least, the chain. So this chain here is an upgrade for my P1P, and it's one of those upgrades that you don't need, but it's definitely nice to have. So I want to say maybe a month from now, so we're May 29th, 2023. So a month from now, I'm going to be taking my Bambu P1P apart, and I'm going to be upgrading to the heavy duty tool head cable and then attaching this chain to it. So you need to upgrade to the heavy duty cable if you want to use that chain, or it won't work. You'll destroy your P1P if you don't have the heavy duty one. And then I'm going to be upgrading to a hardened gear, hardened steel extruder assembly. So then I'll be able to print different types of filament, abrasive filaments like glow in the dark and metallic infused, and I don't know about carbon fiber, but maybe carbon fiber. So this, along with the auxiliary fan, are must-have upgrades for your P1P. Combined, they're about $100. So the P1P is $900. Add another $100 for the upgrades, you're at $1,000. Still cheaper than paying $1,549 for the X1C. Now, if you have a use for the X1C, then go ahead and spend the money on it if you have the money to spare. But if you don't, or if you already have an X1C and don't need a second, P1P with these upgrades, $1,000, well worth it. So look for a video on this coming really soon, and I'll do a detailed review just like I did with my auxiliary fan. Sorry, not a detailed review, but a detailed build, just like I did with the auxiliary fan. So that's it for today's unboxing. Once again, this is Bambu P1P, must-have spare parts, must-have upgrades. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. If you haven't done so already, please hit that subscribe button. It's greatly appreciated. I purchase all this stuff out of pocket, so watching my videos, hitting the like button is a great way to show that you appreciate the work I'm doing and you want to see more stuff. Thank you all for watching today. MikeBot out.